What's going on, everybody? My name is Jonathan. You're watching Sonic Speed, and today we're going to be working on a new project. I just got it from auctions.
So this is our project car. It's a 2013 Chrysler 200. What you see is how I got it. I'll see if I can attach a photo of how it actually looked from the auction block. As you can see here, it's missing the driver's side headlight. The hood is a little damaged. We're missing the grills. And then if we look lower down here, are the bumpers missing. So we're gonna probably have to buy a new bumper, obviously a new grill, headlight. We'll see if the hood can't be repaired. If it can't be repaired, then unfortunately we're gonna have to get a new hood as well. The car is actually in pretty good shape, except it's extremely dirty on the inside. As you can see here, there's just dirt all over the place. I don't know what happened, but it seems like there's a piece of the bumper right there. I don't think they'll be able to fix that. So yeah, guys, once you get to this side of the car, it looks pretty good. So for the most part, the car doesn't have any problems. I mean, the airbags weren't even deployed, so that's really cool. All right, guys, so first things first is we don't want to work on a dirty car, so let's go ahead and get started cleaning it. So we vacuumed up some of the car. We got the driver's side front, driver's side rear, but there's some places that are really hard to get to. So I think what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and take out the seats from the car, so that way we can just get a more thorough clean. Got all the screws unbolted. We went ahead and lifted up the seat, and as you can see, there's just all this nasty caked on crap in here. I mean, the good thing is the car's been paying us back. It's been giving us money. There's a penny, another penny, and a really nasty penny. Gross. So far, the car's given us almost $1. So we're gonna go ahead and start on the passenger side. We already got the 2 front screws out. As you can see, it's really dirty in here too. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the back 2 screws. Alright guys, so we got most of the nasty, grimy crap out. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is we're actually going to go ahead and just use some regular degreaser, add a little bit of soap to it to help out. We're just going to go ahead and clean everything we can. We're going to use a little brush as well to just help get all the extra stuff that the vacuum just couldn't get out. Alright everybody, so it is now hours later. We finally cleaned the car enough to where I got the seats back in. It looks a lot better. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks and see what you guys think. Be working on the front end here. We're gonna hopefully be getting the grills, the front bumper, the headlight in, and we'll see what we do about the hood.
All right, guys, so it is a new day here. We're gonna be working on the Chrysler still. What we're gonna go ahead and do now is we're gonna go ahead and wash it from the outside and hopefully get it cleaned up so that way we can start putting the front bumper, headlights, all that good stuff in. So let's go ahead and get started.
Leave a thumbs up. If you like this video, like really like it, subscribe when we edit it. And I hope you like this video.